let's get into the meat and potatoes of why we're here today so we can demo some stuff as well. The new course, Amazon Elastic Container Service. So look, I'm going to go to our new learning center and I can see the latest content. I can even filter by type if I want to look at just course or hands-on learning activity. I'm just going to randomly select one of the most recent ones added. It's going to pop up here and I'm going to click start activity now. And resources deployed. I have a live environment right there available to me. And as always, every single one of our hands-on learning activities has a diagram associated with it. 140,000 on average per week videos are watched at Linux Academy. The learning activities of Amazon Web Services Certified Solutions Architect Professional Level. We're announcing the AWS Certified Big Data Complete Refresh course that after Tom talks, Fernando's going to give us a little bit of an update about the new and updated AWS Essentials course on linuxacademy.com.
Hey guys, first I want to say how excited I am to be a part of the launch today.
So are you ready?
Oh,
we have an extension for our Docker and container orchestration hands-on labs. Thomas, I just want to play with Docker Compose. So you can go, I just went in, I typed compose, and I see this new learning activity. It says build services with Docker Compose. Again, start activity. Let's see if it's correct.
It'll always work.
It's already deployed.
Yeah, that's so awesome.
I can click on this and it'll log me in to follow along. Let's see what happens here. Connecting. I'm already logged in. And this is something we like talking about from our July launches. So we like to launch content on a 3-month process. We actually had a little bit. We are launching, I think we've had 6 updates to Cloud Playground just in the past week. You know, the geo-based terminals, geo-based Instant Labs, Cloud Consoles, which is coming with Azure and Google. I think we're committed to launching our Google. We have our proof of concept. And then we're integrating it into all of our course author building tools. Join on Black Friday. I think it's 12 o'clock. We have 2 more live shows. We have 2 more opportunities to win a 1-year Linux Academy membership.
November 13th at 10:30 a.m. That's the Central Time.
So just told, and I just want to verify and make sure, we're being told that we might be giving away a free trip to reInvent this year.
We had confirmation thumbs up. Yeah, so that will be happening on a future live stream.
We're going to end the show. Thank you, Linux Academy Training Architect team. Thank you, Linux Academy developers and everybody at Linux Academy who is working really hard for our students. And thank you, our students.